Hello everyone, my name is Rajkumar. So today we are going to install YOLOv5 in my system. So let's just start. Before we proceed, uh, you need to know about some basics thing. Like before proceeding, please make sure that you have installed CUDA, CUDN as per GPU, as per your GPU driver, and Visual Studio 2019 is installed in your system. Otherwise, an invalid CUDA or pseudo version will show unnecessary errors while installing. And next is if you already installed CUDA and CUDN according to your GPU drivers. So next, just click install Ultra. So next, you just need to click on the this link to install YOLOv5 in your system. So let's just click on it. Control plus click. So after you click on this link, you get this page, and to install YOLOv5 in your system, just need to click here to in code, and you also copy this link and git clone on Chrome where you want to store in this YOLOv5. Git clone on that folder. Otherwise, you download the zip file from here, and the best way of downloading this is just to copy this from here and go to the directory where you want to store this YOLOv5 and just create a folder. Just create a folder with name of YOLOv5, name of YOLOv5, and just open it. And here you just need to open cmd command prompt and just write here git clone and control V and just enter. After you enter this, the YOLOv5 installed in your YOLOv5 folder. Inside of your YOLOv5 folder, another YOLOv5 folder create. Inside of that folder, you have the detect file and any others file. So let's just download it. It's done. So let's open this folder. Here you have all the files you needed. So here then next step is just you need to go to the same directory where you just installed YOLOv5. Just click cd and go inside of this folder YOLO YOLOv5 and enter. And now you just need to run this requirement.txt file. Just pip3 install requirements.txt. Okay, then enter. After you enter this, all the files will install. I already installed this file, so you, just when you just click and enter, the downloading is start. So next step is there is a command. Next is this command. We done installation of YOLOv5. We go to the YOLOv5 directory and open command prompt in that directory also. And next run command pip install. I already done it. And then the fourth step is create a inference folder, and inside of this folder also create a images folder and put all images that you want to test. Okay, so go to the directory. Here we installed YOLOv5. Just need to create a folder with the name of inference. Okay, okay, step inference, and inside of this folder also create another folder with the name of images. Okay, now we want to train test some images. Uh, you get all when you just install YOLOv5. You also get some images to train inside of this data images folder. Just copy it from here, copy, and you by default, if you I'll show you next picture. So let's just open this folder, and paste it here. Okay, so now the just need to move to next step. Create it folder, copy the images, run this command. Okay, okay, to run this command, Control C, mm, Control V, and just enter. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. On recognition source reference image weight .pt configuration. So first you just need to run Python, not Python. So next you run this. If you should see this error, next you run this. Just change some, make some changes in this command. Here you can see it. Python detect.py source dot inference image weight YOLO v5 spt configuration. Okay, so downloading the github dot ultra YOLO5 release, downloading v5 YOLO5s. So he just installed your YOLOv5s.pt file also, and also they run also detect that image and store the result say in and result saved to runs slash detect slash exp folder by default. By default, your result or output will store in this directory inside of run in detect and exp. So let's just check it. Okay, so go to the image folder, back. Here we just create the, you can see this folder. Here we automatically create a run folder inside of the detect and inside of xp. Here we get the result and output of that image. So here you can see this image is detected. This is the person 0.88%, this is the first person, so on. In also detect the second image is the person 0.59, and this is die of 0.66, and this person like so on. So like this type, you can just detect, you can just test your image. This is the by default path where your result and output will store. I can show you in this detect, open with code. um, Inside of this, yeah, you can see it. Here inside of this project equals to run slash detect, save result to project slash name, and name is exp, and save result to project slash name. So your result by default is stored in this directory, project slash name. A project is runs and detect. Okay, you can also change this from here. Yeah, like so on. Okay, and yeah, also need to save some stuff. If you by default, if you run the Python detect dot py, by default if you run the Python detect.py file, this file also download the by the YOLOv5 s.pt file, and then detect the by default image, by default given image, which is inside of this data image folder. You just train test this image, and if you want to train your own image, then you create some folder, and inside of this and just put some images here. Okay, thank you. That's all.